Hello everyone. Today our question is about a Python question, a Python program that is about implementing maximum value finder using a for loop. We will have a list of numerical elements. Write a Python function to find and return the maximum value in the list using a for loop. You are not allowed to use a Python built-in max function. Assume that the list is non-empty and contains at least one element. Right. So first we need a list. So uh, list is equal to 1 2 3 4 62. Some elements we need in here, right? So let's consider the first element as the maximum of all the elements, right? So we max number is equal to list, and we came up with 0. So this we assume that the first element is the maximum of all the list, right? So next we use the for loop that is required in that above question, in this question. So we will use for loop here for value in list. So we will go through each of the element in this list and we will store the elements in the val variable right here. Okay, so next step we will have if val is greater than max num, then if any of the element is greater than the first element, then we will, so max num is equal to 1, then we will assign that element to the max num variable. Let's see if our code works or not. Print max num. Yes, this one is the largest of all the elements found in the list. So let's make this the largest element. Yes, and let's change this element. It's working pretty well. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.